The U.S. supply of ATACMS to Ukraine has shifted the dynamics of the battlefield, and the Russian army now faces new challenges for their embattled logistics. Here, a Russian serviceman showed damage on a vehicle column caused by a Gmlrs missile strike.
5, 6, 7, 8 колес.
Да.
Я на ту сторону. Ты сюда, я на эту.
Давай. С этой стороны все колеса. Баку. Бак серый не полностью пробит, я так понял. Я его не открою, блядь. Стекла полностью. То есть даже она была заведенная, значит. Слушай, ну облазили тут по открытию.
Это важнее класс. А нет, она была заглушена.
Так, следующее. Раз, два, три, 4, 5, 6 колес. Все побито полностью. Это 626, где Рома лежал. Тут весь кузов побитый. Все в осколках. Тут пацаны были. Нет, это 654. А вон где пацаны были. Тоже раздуло кабину. Тут вообще живого места нет. Все посечено в точку. Слабоухо выдулось.
And this is just spectacular. Yesterday, Russians tried to use one of their TOS-1A thermobaric weapon against Ukrainian forces in Avdiivka, but a drone located them. Unfortunately for the Russian crew, the flamethrower was fully loaded with missiles. The following explosion turned the vehicle into the tiniest bits. Furthermore, Ukrainian soldiers from 32 separate mechanized brigades attacked a Russian tank. Russian plane, probably Su-25, is shot down over Avdiivka by Ukrainians.
Падает, сука.
Да, въебал.
Охуенно.
Молодцы. Хорошо. Есть!
Еще вдвое, сука, выжило, блядь.
Ах вы петухи, сука.
На. Ах, хуёвки, сука. Там двое, блядь, выжило.
Russian failed assaults continues with heavy losses. A kamikaze drone flies into a trench directly towards the Russian occupiers in the Kremina direction. But the war brings sad stories. A man is mourning the loss of his daughter, who was killed near Dnipro by a Russian strike. She had a 1-year-old daughter. Yuri said that his wife is now with relatives. I'm worried she will lose her mind. Their son is defending Ukraine near Bakhmut.
Було в мене, що доця, що син, вони мене любили, я їх люблю. Я вже тут голічки. Вони ще в школу не ходили. Я до них папа, де мене синок і дочка. Що я можу сказати? Я не пам'ятаю, що це воно, я в сорочці був, воно ж не пам'ятаю, що влупило. Дивіться, козі, двері вилетіли. Я думаю, що в березі там, вже рядом Дніпро, чи рядом. Він в Бахмуті. Він все АТО пройшов, у нього 9 ранень. Віддісадик, 93. Де саме жарко, туди різне. Я не гордюся. Таких людей мало.
А жінка як ваша? Вона в лікарні чи вона?
Переживаю, щоб вона не поїхала.
Як ваша онучечка?
21 марта буде 2 роки. 1,5 року.
Brothers returned to their toy car 30 years after leaving Pripyat due to the Chernobyl nuclear disaster, 1986 to 2016. These two brothers came back to their abandoned toy car that they left behind in Pripyat. Pripyat was a town near Chernobyl which housed scientists that ran the nuclear facility. The families of the scientists also lived here. The town was founded in 1970 and had multiple facilities such as a gym, pool, shopping center, and apartment blocks in typical Soviet style. Pripyat was home to approximately 50,000 people. Pripyat and Chernobyl are located in Ukraine. On April 26th, nuclear reactor number 4 exploded after a safety test went wrong. Staff negligence as well as design flaws of the reactor contributed to an uncontrollable atomic chain reaction, which caused a huge amount of energy to be released. The explosion blew off the roof of the reactor facility. A huge amount of radioactive contamination entered the atmosphere. 70% of the contamination went to Belarus. However, traces were detected as far as Ireland. The disaster resulted in less than 100 deaths, according to Soviet records, and resulted in $68 million in damage, which included the removal of waste after the explosion. More than 110,000 people had to leave their homes. The radiation has caused severe birth defects, as well as causing many people who were exposed to the radiation to develop serious medical conditions such as cancer. Due to the huge amounts of radiation, Chernobyl will be uninhabitable for 20,000 years.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you wanna support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.